controlling the operation of ships, ability to use and understand basic signals for the operation equipment. Basic signals for hoisting cranes. Hoist with your forearm vertical and your forefinger pointing up. Lower with the arm extended downward and forefinger pointing down. Raise the boom. Arm extended, finger closed, and thumb pointing down. Lower boom. Arm extended, finger closed, and thumb pointing downward. Move slowly. Use one hand to give any motion signals and place the other hand motionless in front of the hand. Swing. Point with the finger and direction of swing of the boom. Raise the boom and lower the load. One arm extended, finger closed, thumb pointing upward, other arm bent slightly with forefinger pointing down. Lower the boom and raise the load. One arm extended, finger closed, thumb pointing downward, other arm bent slightly with forefinger pointing up. Stop. Both arm extended, boom down, hold the position rigidly. Dog everything. Close hand in front of the body means pause. Last signals. Slack off. Make fast. Let go or cast off. Stop. Heave or hoist slowly. Heave away.